Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2012 Ford Focus, stock number 7180. It's ran from the Yoke 2011 to the Yoke 2015. Here's a PNDA 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a PNDA 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 6-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Set. Automatic gear shifter, heater, AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.